ourselves a Ninja Professional Plus Kitchen System blender, and we have been craving to make smoothies, and that is the reason why we got it. So you are here for the big unboxing. We're going to show you everything that's in it, and then we're going to make a smoothie afterwards, and we're going to tell you how good it does and how good it actually is. So here we go. First start, instruction manual. Gotta have that. Whatever this thing is, we got in it. Okay, you see it? Okay. Blender, or this ain't the blender, this is the pitcher. Pitcher, cup number 1, cup number 2. The cups I think are 32 ounces, which I think is a lot for a freaking smoothie. I think it's a lot. I ain't drinking a 32 ounce smoothie. Could, but I'm not going to. Here's the base, and then probably the mixing bowl that comes with it, I'm assuming. Our power base, the processor bowl, I guess. Is that what it is? And then the lid for the blender. That's it. Okay, box is empty. Now I need the instruction manual. How to put it together. Recap. 2 cups, base, bowl, pitcher, lid, blade thing. Don't know what that goes to yet. Owner's guide, quick start guide. Alright. Should I put it together? We're going to start with the power base, and it has these suction cups on them, and it definitely sticks to the counter because I'll set it down and it's kind of you're good. We're going to start off the cups first. So what you do is twist this blade in, and then you just simply set it in. You put your fruit in, whatever you're trying to do, turn it clockwise, boom. That one's good to go. Put the pitcher next. Put your blade in. We'll go with this blade because that's the one that goes to it. Let's see here. Line that up. Put your lid on. Put whatever you want to put in it. I think that's it. And then make sure it all lines up on the side. There's an arrow that lines up with the lid on this arrow on the handle. Pretty simple. Boom. Release it. Voila. So you remove that. Then our bowl. You can use either this blade or this blade. This is the dough blade. I think that's just your standard blade. Whatever you prefer. Boom. Same thing. Arrow lining up. Suction action right there. I got it lined up. Maybe I don't got it lined up. Yeah, you should line it up first. Put your lid on. Line it up. Boom. There you go. Release action. Yeah, and that's it. So we got all kinds of blades. We got bowl, pitcher, dough blade, standard blade, lids and caps. Make sure the arrows line up. This one doesn't matter. You unlock it once you get all your stuff. Flip it around, I would assume. And then you got your lid here to drink out of. Boom. Smoothie. King. Now we actually have to put some fruit in it.